Candle, he may act strong, but spiritually he is calling your name. Your absence is teaching him what your presence truly meant. He's regretting, he's reflecting, and he wants you back. This is your sign. Love is returning. Red heart. Comment his name. Subscribe.
I never dreamed that I'd meet somebody like you. No, I never dreamed that I'd lose somebody like you. No, I don't wanna fall in love. No, I don't wanna fall in love with you.